Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my sweet cornbread, aka pan de maíz. This is a super easy cornbread recipe that is fluffy, moist, can go alongside different meals, and it easily pairs well with your favorite cafecito as an afternoon snack. So if you want to learn how to make this awesome cornbread recipe, keep watching. So as I mentioned, this recipe is super easy. I'll start by adding 1 cup of fine yellow cornmeal and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 2/3 cups of white sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Please make sure that your baking powder is fresh and not expired for best results. So lastly, I'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And after I've added all of my dry ingredients into the bowl, I'll simply use a whisk and mix everything until it is well combined and evenly distributed. And a side note, I like to use Goya's fine cornmeal just because the finer cornmeal gives it a softer crumb and texture. Now it's time to mix all of my wet ingredients. I'll start by cracking and whisking 2 eggs together. After I've whisked my eggs, I'll go ahead and add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of milk. Here I'm using skim milk. Any milk percentage is fine. After I've mixed in my milk, I'm going to go ahead and add 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Then 1 tablespoon of honey. So after I've mixed most of my wet ingredients, I like to add my 3 tablespoons of melted cooled butter to my dry ingredients. Once I pour that into the dry ingredients, I let that soak in there. And then after that, I add my wet ingredients and I mix it all together. This prevents the melted butter from solidifying when it comes in contact with the cold wet ingredients. But if your wet ingredients are all at room temperature, you can actually skip this step and just combine everything in one bowl. Now it's time to grease my mold. Here I'm using butter, but you can use cooking spray or baking spray if you like. So for this recipe, I'm using a 9-inch ceramic mold, but you can use any style that you like. You can even use a muffin tin with cupcake liners for some easy serving cornbread muffins. Once I've poured my batter into my mold, I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. And this is my end result. I hope that you've enjoyed watching me make this easy pan de maíz recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click on the little notification bell because a new video will be uploaded every week. Until next time.